Question 2, I've gone back to question 1b where I started out multiplying this out to the power of 5, and I've just rubbed out what was there. In question B, we were looking for the sine part of it, so we took the imaginary part. This time we want the cos part of it, so I'm just going to look at the real parts of this. And so just looking at the real parts, on the left-hand side, I've got cos 5 theta, and on the right-hand side, I've got cos to the 5 theta, that one, minus 10 cos cubed theta, sine squared theta, that one. And then I've also got the 5 cos theta sine to the 4 theta. Usual thing, I've now got to replace the sines with the sine squareds with the 1 minus cos squareds. And here with a 1 minus cos squared squared. So I'll do that here. So I've got 1 minus 2 cos squared theta plus cos to the 4 theta. Sure, you can read that. Of course you can. And tidying all of that up then, what have I got? I've got cos to the 5 minus 10 cos cubed theta minus minus, so I've got plus 10 cos to the 5 theta plus just the 5 of those, 5 cos thetas. 5 times 2, I've got minus 10 cos cubed thetas, and on the end there I've got plus 5 cos to the 5 thetas. Hopefully that's going to be everything we wanted. So I've got some cos to the 5s there, 1 and 10, and another 5 of them there, so that's 16 cos to the 5 thetas. That's what we wanted. We should have minus 20, we do, minus 20 cos cubed thetas, and finally just the 5 cos thetas on the end there. So there's part A, just the same thing as we've done before. So continuing to part B, we've got that cos to the 5 theta, which is the big thing we've just done there, plus 5 lots of cos 3 theta. And they've given us what cos 3 theta is. So let's just copy that, timesing it by 5. So I've got 20 cos cubed theta and 5 3s 15 cos theta. And we want that to equal 0. So if we look at the cos cubes, they're both cancelling out, so we'll get rid of those. We've got a grand total of just the 16 cos to the 5 thetas, and then we've got minus 10 cos thetas equals 0. Now don't just go happily cancelling a cos theta there, it's factorising out, isn't it? So cos theta, lots of 16 cos to the 4 theta minus 10 equals 0. So one answer is when cos theta equals 0. Cos theta equals 0 at pi over 2. Is there any more? Yeah, no more needed because of the range of that one there. And on this one here, we want this bit equals 0. So cos to the 4 theta equals 10 over 16 or 5 over 8. If we cube root that, fourth root that, we'll get plus or minus the fourth root of 5 over 8. And if we inverse cos that, we're going to get 0.745, and for the other one, 2.666 to 3 decimal places, it asked. I hope I don't need to put that into 3 decimal places. I'd leave that as exact, but it does say give your answers to 3 decimal places, so I will do. I'd rather leave it exact though.